NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede has categorically denied all the allegations leveled against him by an independent witness named Prabhakar Sale. Prabhakar, who claims to be KP Goswami's bodyguard, recently alleged that he was made to sign a blank panchnama by the Narcotics Control Bureau in the Mumbai cruise drugs case. He said this during a TV interview. Now responding to all the allegations, the NCB has issued an official statement and advised the witness to submit his prayer to the Honorable Court rather than through social media. The statement reads, and I quote, "An affidavit by witness Prabhakar Sale, a witness in crime number 94/2021 of Mumbai Zonal Unit of NCB, has come to my notice through social media. In the said affidavit, Mr. Prabhakar has given details about his movement and activities on 2nd of October 2021, the day above crime was registered. As he is a witness in the case and as the case is before the Honorable Court and sub judice, he needs to submit his prayer to the Honorable Court rather than through social media if he has anything to say. In addition, there are certain vigilance related allegations against certain persons in the affidavit which are based on overhearing by Mr. Prabhakar. Towards the end, the NCB has stated that, and I quote, "Our Zonal Director, Mumbai Zonal Unit, Mr. Sameer Wankhede, has categorically denied these allegations as some of the contents of the affidavit relate to vigilance matters. I am hereby forwarding the affidavit to the Director General Narcotics Control Bureau and requesting him for further necessary actions." Prior to this, many politicians and Bollywood celebs started posting their opinions regarding Prabhakar's claims on social media. Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut posted a video seemingly from inside the NCB office and demanded police action. Filmmaker Hansal Mehta also took to his Twitter handle and demanded Sameer Wankhede's resignation until the charges against him are disproved. Coming back to Aryan Khan, the star kid who is currently lodged in Arthur Road Jail on 20th of October moved the Bombay High Court after a special court rejected his bail application while making a note that he was indulging in illicit drug activities on a regular basis. The HC will now hear his bail plea on 26th of October.